afternoon, my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you giving me a chance. And just want to get on here with a really quick unbagging today. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Tuesday. This is, I almost said November. Oh my God. This is September 18th, I think. And it is 1:36 here in a kind of cloudy Norman, Oklahoma. We have had rain this morning, and the sun is trying to peek out. It's actually kind of cool out. It was kind of windy. I had to run out and take care of some stuff this morning, but other than that, I have been diamond painting all day, and I wanted to get on here real quick and do this quick unbagging that I got from Temu. Now, they kind of threw me off because it came in this paper wrap, I guess you envelope or whatever, and it's not their normal orange paper. So I was kind of, when I first saw it, I was kind of confused. But then when I opened it, I had something in here for my granddaughter, and then I was like, oh, okay, so that's nice. So we're just gonna get right into it. And I just thought of something, you guys. I forgot to get the prices. I will remember to put those down in the description. So like I said, I just got two things, and one was this portfolio. And I'm sure that it wasn't that much, but like I said, I will put the prices down. So this is a display book. They call it a display book. And it is 30 pockets. And I'm trying to see how I can get into it, because of course I don't have my scissors here. Oh wait, I found it. I think I found it. I know they had several different colors, like the blue and white, I think, and so I picked a pink, because you know pink and purple are my favorite colors. Sorry for the crinkle, I'm sorry. So I thought this would be really good for my small snack sizes. And then your canvas slides right down. Now the paper is very thin, so you probably can't like really manhandle it. So, but this is not bad. Not bad at all. So like I said, 30 slots, and it's a good size. Okay. And then I got a diamond painting, of course. I watched Diamond Painting with Tita. If you have not watched her channel, please check her out. She did an unbagging of this particular picture, and I was just in love. So of course, I had to get it. And this is a 30 by 30. And it's a round. And so let me try to straighten this out some. Look at this. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. And I know that she couldn't figure this out, and neither can I. I have no idea what that says. So So I think that probably what I'll do is just make it one solid color. But it's so cute. And the drill, good stick, very, very clear. The drill bill is very clear. And look at those. Even the symbols on the canvas itself are good size. So this has 24 colors, has the DMC codes on it, and it looks like numbers and letters, no symbols, and it is the rare animal of being a 1 is a 1, a 2 is a 2, all the way down to 9, and then 10 starts with the alphabets. Oh my God, it's in, well, it's almost in the alphabetical order till you got to G, then it's I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It is that one. I guess they didn't want H to have a home on here, so. This is amazing. I just thought it was so cute. I just love it. Look at that. That is adorable. Okay. Comes with your regular drills kit, a bolt, wax, and a pen. No multi-placers. And then here are the drills. Really pretty colors. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. I was like, really, I can get into it. I promise. So like I said, if you guys have not checked out Diamond Painting with Tita, please do. You will love her channel. She has a lot of Temu hauls. She does do DACs, a little bit of everything. So we have red, the little hitchhikers in there. The pink, I just dropped. That looks like a wine color. I'm really starting to like this wine color with that purple. It's kind of tan, a deeper purple, a lighter. Looks pretty pink. It's red. Oh, a darker purple. Tan. Tan upside. No. Oh, this Becky, here's your color. 550. I was thinking that this was, but actually it looks more, it looks purple in the camera, but it looks really more blue. And then here's another, I think this is a darker blue. Damn it. 8. And pink. And here's a lighter wine. I guess it would be better if I showed you guys. I'm sure that's 310. 15. No, it's 939, so it's the, I think that's the dark blue. The more pinks and greens. And 20. It's 37.50. Hold on, guys. Jumped off my table. There's white, more blues, yellows, and a light like sky blue. Oh, this is really good. I really love this. I love the Volkswagen Beetles. I don't own one, but this is so cute. And I didn't show you. Here's the thumbnail. And you can't tell what the license plate says from that either. So I wonder if that is like in Chinese or something. But I love this, and I think that the rendering on this is going to be great because the picture is so big. So I think it'll render good, even the flowers. Now maybe down here, maybe if these little flowers may be a little pixelated, but I think it'll turn out really great. I love it. Love it. So those are my only two things that I got from Temu. The other thing that I got, like I said, was for my granddaughter. So that's really it. So please check out Diamond Painting with Tita. And also my friend Becky from Becky's Diamond Blings has a channel, and she is so close to it, getting to 1,000. So if you guys can please, please, please go over to her channel, her YouTube channel. You will love. She does unboxings, unbagging, she does budget, she does DAC, Rhinestone Goddess, many different contents. You would love her channel. If you go over and help her out to get her to her goal of hitting 1,000. And also, I did an unboxing of friend mail from Donna Art Joy, and I don't know what it was happening. It was just my normal struggle stuff, but I felt like I just butchered her name of her channel and everything. So I want to say thank you again to Donna, and her husband also did a Hello Kitty 3D statue, and I got a whole bunch of other Hello Kitty stuff, and did a little trash bin that was shaped of a heart. It was just beautiful. So again, Donna and Jake, thank you so much. And if you have not checked out Donna's channel, Diamond Art Joy. See, I'm doing it again. Diamond Art Joy, and Donna is the creator. Please go check her out too and help get her numbers up as well. Okay, I have struggled bust long enough. So that's really it. I hope that everybody's having a great day, working on your whips for your events. Again, I am doing the Disney Paint Along with Laura Chef Diamond, and also the Megan-thon with Rhinestone Goddess, and I will be showing some progress on those with my next video. Also, I am getting close to getting I have quite a few things that I am close to getting finished, so I'll be doing a completion, because I have not felt like I have not done a completion video in a while. I think that's it. Oh, also, Diamond Paintings with Tita is co-hosting with Hola Bella for next month's paint along, which is Halloween and fall. So if you don't have a event, which I can't imagine that you don't from all the ones that are out there. And also Sam is having, I believe, and she has said it like 8,000 times, and I am just old. I think it's DP Autism is next month. So please check out these ladies, okay? If you like this video, if you can please hit that like button on the way out, I would appreciate it. If you want to be a part of this Struggle Bus family, if you'll hit that subscription button and hit the bell to be notified each and every time that I put out a new video, I would appreciate that as well. You guys, remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.